What is up, guys? Ever wonder how you can make a killer video ad that grab attention and boost engagement all without draining your wallet? Well, in today's video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of crafting compelling video ads that convert. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you will become an ad-making wizard and your viewers will be left pleasantly surprised and captivated. Ready to dive into the world of free AI-powered ad creation? Hit the subscribe button, smash the like, and let's roll into the ultimate video ad transformation. We are going to use this AI tool called InVideo AI. Get our video ad. On InVideo Studio, click on Video Ad Maker. So to make a video ad, click on Make Video Ads for Free. It will ask you to create an account. You can sign up using your Google account or your name, email, and password. So go ahead and create an account. After you're done creating an account, click on templates over here and you'll be redirected to the templates. Over here, type in video ads and search your ad you'd like to use. So we will use this one as our template. Now on the right, pick the size you would like for your ad. I'm going to pick portrait 9:16 and use this as our template. Over here, we are going to start customizing our ad. Let us import our videos that we will use on our ad. So over here, click on upload media and our content will be uploaded over here. So you can see our logo has been added. So let us now start adding videos on our video ad. So over here we can change our video to, I like to use this one. Just drag and drop over there. Let's say replace. We can pick the part that we want to replace until this part. So click on add. So over here when we play the ad, you can see it has added our video. Now onto the next part, we're going to do the same. We're going to replace the videos on the ad with our own videos. So on the second part, I'm going to choose a different video and click on replace, and until where we want us to replace the video. So click on add and you can see it has replaced the video that was on the ad with our video. So click on play. And we can continue doing this with the rest of the videos. I just added videos of our product we would like to make an ad for on our ad, and then I wrote ad copy that we will motivate the viewer to take the next step, which is purchasing our product. So this is a quick preview of our ad so far. So you can see over here, I'm calling out our product, and over here, adding captivating copy that will make them want to buy our lotion. So on the next step, I'm going to try and add music and then voiceover to our ad. To add music, come over here where it says music, and you can choose any mood, the genre of music. I will pick hip hop. Here you are going to see a couple of hip hop music that you can use on your ad. So let us sample a few. I like this one. So to add it, just click add, and then it will be added down below on your ad. So when you play the video, you can hear that our music is playing. To reduce the volume, just click on the music, make sure it's selected, and come over here to volume and fade, and then you can adjust the volume over here. So to add a voiceover to your video, just come on the part that you would like to add a voiceover. So like this one, click over here, and then click on voiceover, and then automated text to speech. Then over here, the text that is on the video, you can see it over here. You can rearrange how you would like the text to appear, or you can remove any text. And then over here, you can choose the type. Realistic is better. Then you can choose the language over here, and then you can choose the voice that you would like to use. And then after you're done, you can click on generate voiceover. And then over here it has generated our voiceover. You can play it to hear the voiceover. So let us preview.
A symphony of hydration, protection, and indulgence.
If you're happy, click on add and it will be added on the part that you just selected over here. Now do this to the rest of the other parts and add voiceovers to your entire video ad. So we have created our ad, added videos and images to our ad, written engaging copy to our ad for users that will see our ad to take the next step of purchasing our products. We also added music and also voiceover to our ad. Let us play our ad, review our ad.
A symphony of hydration, protection, and indulgence. Our elegant lotion nurtures, rejuvenates, and unveils the radiant glow you were born to flaunt. Infused with the finest ingredients, it's the ultimate cocktail for a complexion that feels as good as it looks. It's a love letter to your skin, a hydrating hero ready to rescue you from the daily grind. Our elegant lotion softens and protects your dry hands. It also protects skin from UV rays and damage. Now at 20% off, winterproof your skin. Shop now at elegantlotion.com.
Now to download our video, click on here where it says upgrade to export. And you can choose the quality. Click on 1080p, click on upgrade to export, and then for only $15 a month, you can be able to get a business account, which you'll be able to download 60 HD video exports every single month. We'll also have no watermarks, and you can be able to use your ads on the social media platforms. So if you do not have videos to use to create your own video ads, head over to this website called pegsales.com. Search for the videos of the type of product that you're trying to make a video ad for. So if you're trying to make a video ad for lotion, click on lotion to search, and then click on videos. So these are the free videos that you can use to make a video ad for that are totally free. If you like also images, you can click on photos, then click on search, and it will show you images that you can use to create an ad with. Now that's it for you guys. Now you know how you can create your own video ads. You can use all these tools over here on InVideo to create your own video ad without requiring any expertise or knowledge. And there you have it, folks. Your ticket to video ad mastery using AI tools without breaking the bank. I hope you found these tips valuable and are ready to unleash your creativity. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on leveling up your creative game, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And of course, give this video a thumbs up if you are as excited as I am about the world of AI-powered tools. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below, sharing your thoughts, any questions you might have, or any topics you'd like me to cover in the future. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.